Today, we're making creamy homemade mac and cheese. This is a super easy recipe that will blow your mind. It is so cheesy and delicious. And if you like your mac and cheese extra saucy, then this is for you. We're going to get started by cooking our macaroni. So add your water to a large pot, bring it to a boil, add salt, and then add your macaroni. Once the macaroni is fully cooked, drain it and then add it to the cheese sauce. Now, cook this according to the package directions. While the macaroni is cooking, go ahead and start working on our cheese sauce. Continue to whisk the cheese into the sauce until it's all melted and smooth. Pour the macaroni and cheese into your baking dish. Now you want to bake this in a preheated oven to 350 degrees. Bake for 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the cheese is all melted. In a large bowl, mix together the butter and the flour until it looks like sand. Once the macaroni and cheese is done baking, remove it from the oven and then pour the breadcrumb mixture on top. Bake for an additional 5 minutes or until the breadcrumbs are golden brown. And then you're going to go ahead and serve this up and enjoy. Please let me know how this recipe turned out for you in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up